Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can automatically add a suffix or prefix to any cell that will automatically populate when you enter data. To start the thing going, I'm going to use the sequence function in cell F1. So if I type equals sequence, as soon as it comes up in the list underneath, I can press tab to accept as it says there. Now I'm going to use column H, but I want the count A function in column H, or to look at column H. So click count A, click on the letter H, which will put that in there. Now close that bracket and then close the sequence bracket. And when I press enter on that, I'm going to get a number error. But if I put a number in H1 or a word in H1, it starts doing the sequence. You can also add, if you didn't want to see the number error, if error in front of that, and it wouldn't have shown. But that's not what I want to do. So every time I enter something, if I enter D, for example, it's still going to count. It's counting how many items, but I don't want it just to say 1, 2, 3. I want it to have UK in front of it. So to do that, I'm highlighting column F, so it applies to everything in column F. Going to format and number format, coming across to this list, right down to the bottom where it's got custom number format. And you can see the one that I've got there, I've already created, but I'll just click on this one. And I want the 0 to be at the end, so the number sequence to be at the end. So I need to get in front of that. In quotes, UK, quotes, space. So that gives you a sample of what that's going to be. If I apply that, every time I enter something in this cell, it's automatically going to put that in there. You can do that without the sequence function. If I highlight this column and go into format and number format, come across and custom number format, I can apply that to that column, apply, and then wherever I type in that, if I type Steve and then 1, it's got that. So Steve doesn't come up because I did numbers, but every time I press a number in there, it's going to come up with UK as a prefix. If I go back into that and have a quick look, format, number format. So these are all number formats. If I cancel this off, you've got an option in there, format, text. Now you haven't got that same sort of option there at all. It doesn't put UK there. So this is only applicable to numbers. But that's a quick way of doing a prefix. The suffix would be the same, except you would put the UK in quotes after the 0, and then that would work. So hopefully that little video is of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.